welcome back to Grace Crochets. For today's video, I will be teaching you all how to crochet the icicle stitch. So let's get started. For your foundation chain, you are going to chain in multiples of 4. To begin on your first row, you are going to place 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2. You're going to place 1 more right next to it, so yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. And this chain 2 on the very end is going to act as a double crochet. So after you have these 3 double crochets, going to chain 1, skip a chain, and place a double crochet into the 2nd chain from where you are currently working. So yarn over and insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and finish the double crochet. So you're going to be working in groups of 3. Let's place 2 more double crochets. There's 2. And 3. So after you have your 3 double crochets, chain 1, skip a chain down here, and repeat what you just did by placing 3 more double crochets. There's 1, 2, and 3. And you are going to repeat that pattern for the entirety of your first row and meet me back here when you are done. To continue working onto row 2, you are going to chain 2 and turn your work. And row 2 is basically just going to be a repeat of row 1. So wherever there is a double crochet, place a double crochet, like so. And wherever there is a chain 1, chain 1. So super easy, and meet me back here once you have completed row 2. After row 2, your work should look something like this, and to continue on to row 3, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn your work. And also row 3 is where you would change colors if that's something that you wanted to do, but for learning purposes I'm just going to keep the same color. To start on row 3, you're going to place a double crochet into this stitch right here, the 3rd from where you're currently working. So place 1 double crochet. And then for the next one, you're going to place a double crochet, but you're going to insert your hook way down here into that chain 1 space from the first row. So yarn over, insert your hook, and pull through, and pull up so the yarn will stretch. And then continue working onto a regular double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the next 2. And then place another double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and finish it off. And that will give you the icicle look. Now you're going to chain 1 and repeat what you just did. So place a double crochet in the 2nd stitch from where you're currently working. Oops. There we go. And then place another double crochet, but insert your hook way down here. And remember to pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the next 2. And then place another double crochet into the next stitch. And then chain 1. And you are going to repeat that pattern for the entirety of row 3 and meet me back here once you have done that. I also forgot to mention that to complete row 3, you're going to end with a chain 1 and a double crochet. To continue on to row 4, you're going to chain 3 and turn your work. And you're basically just going to repeat rows 1 or 2. So wherever there is a double crochet, you're going to place a double crochet. There is 1, 2, and 3. And there is a chain 1 space. So I'm just going to chain 1 and continue doing that throughout the entirety of row 4 and meet me back here once you are finished. Now row 5 is basically just going to be a repeat of row 3, but you're going to start off by chaining 2 and turning your work. And you will notice that the space where you reach down to do a double crochet is right there immediately. So yarn over, insert your hook, and pull up, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. And you're basically just going to repeat row 3. Remember, chain 1, and it's just a repeat by skipping a stitch, going into the next one, placing a double crochet, then reaching down all the way here, and pulling up, and that is the entire pattern for the icicle stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.